Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 4, number 24, which reads, Mr. Cole has a beaker containing n milliliters of solution to distribute to the students in his chemistry class. If he gives each student 3 milliliters of solution, he'll have 5 milliliters left over. In order to give each student 4 milliliters of solution, he will need an additional 21 milliliters. How many students are in the class? Okay, so one thing is, it's kind of funny here. They give you that n equals milliliters of solution. Question's not asking how many milliliters of solution you're having. It's asking how many students are in the class. So let's say x is the number of students. And then what we could do is just make a quick equation. And if there's he gives each student 3 milliliters of solution, he'll have 5 milliliters left over. In other words, if x's number of students, he gives 3 milliliters to each of them. And then he's going to have 5 left over. That's going to be 3x plus 5. Why? Because if you multiply the number of students by 3 and then add 5, then you're going to get the number of milliliters. That's actually going to be n. And what's n also equal? It's going to equal 4x, and he's going to need an additional 21 milliliters if he gives each student 4 milliliters of solution. So that's where your 4x goes, and your minus 21. So we want to keep our variables positive. So if we subtract 3x from both sides, we wind up with just x over here, and then add 21 to both sides. We wind up with 26 over here. So x is 26, and that's really how you would solve it. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble translating equations into word problems into equations. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you can leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.